Retailers Association of India has released their business survey for the month of May 2021, and according to the data, sales in May 2021 were down by 79% in comparison to May 2019. Now, for the benefit of the viewers and to explain why we're comparing sales to May 2019, well, RAI throughout this survey has compared sales and numbers to 2019 May, because last year in May 2020 we were in the midst of a nationwide lockdown and activity was almost at zero levels. So that is the reason why they have compared the sales to May 2019. Now, if we take a look at what was the scenario in April. Now, according to the April survey, sales were down 49% in April 2021 versus April 2019. So it has definitely only gotten worse in May, when we had seen the second wave really pick up pace, and the cases were at such high levels, and there were a lot of restrictions across the country because of the high number of cases and deaths that we were witnessing. If you take a look at what regions have been affected the most, in the month of April, the western region was the most affected. And in the month of May, across East, West and North and South India, sales are badly affected. In East India, sales are down 75% in comparison to May 2019. Western region sales are down 83%. Northern region sales down 83%, and South India sales also down 73%. The similar trend is being seen even in the segments, because across segments sales are down. If you take a look at the segments which have been affected the most, it is beauty, wellness and personal care, with sales down 87% versus May 2019. Then for footwear, sales down 86% versus May 2019. Sports goods sales down 80%. If you take a look at the other segments, quick service restaurant sales are down 70%. Consumer durables and electronics sales are down 71% versus May 2019. And remember, this was the only segment back in March 2021 when things were much better. This was the only segment that was in the green. Sales were in fact higher by 10% versus March 2019, yet it has gone down now by 71% versus 2019. Food and grocery is one segment that has seen an improvement in comparison to April. Sales are down 34% though in comparison to May 2019. But back in April, sales were down by 49%. So there is slight improvement that has come in there. Apparel and clothing sales are down 77%. And all segments except the food and grocery segment, the sales are down in comparison to even what we saw in April. So there is a major hit that has come in, and each sector of course is dealing with a different level of issues. Like footwear, for example, people are yet to really step out and buy footwear because they do not see them stepping out anytime soon, with the strain still prevalent across the country. Consumer durables and electronics, the industry is hoping that sales will come back once the restrictions have lifted now, especially in the month of June. People who want to order electronics or consumer durables might go ahead and make the purchases, but that segment continues to see input cost pressures as well. Restaurants as well will see the biggest impact, of course, until and unless people are really confident of stepping out and going into hotels and eating. Now, what we are picking up from RAI, the CEO of RAI, Mr. Kumar Rajgopalan, has said that he is expecting sales to be somewhat better in the month of June. Some improvement is likely to come in June because of the gradual unlocking that has happened in comparison to May and April. But they have said that the retail industry needs collective support of various government bodies to tide over the present situation. So the numbers for June will be something that we have to watch out for.